Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix service due in your Porsche. This solution will work for the Porsche Cayenne, Porsche Macan, Panamera, 911, 718, Boxster, and the Porsche Cayman. So if you have any of these models, just follow the steps I'm going to show you. So just go to your screen here in the right side of your steering wheel. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. So the first fix that you can try is setting your car system. If you want to do that, it's pretty simple. Just go here to settings, here in the home section. Once you're here, you're gonna find all of the settings related to your car, displays, voice control, audio, and so on. Scroll down until you find system. It's gonna be here in the bottom. Give it a click, and then here you're gonna find these settings: language and keyboard, date and time, units, software information, and lastly reset system to factory settings. Just give it a click, and then you're gonna have this confirmation message. Are you sure you want to reset all personal data and settings? This process cannot be reversed. So if you guys are sure, you can reset all of your data and wipe it all. So all of your saved data, profiles, driving profiles, and so on is gonna be wiped to factory settings. So this is important. If you are sure about resetting it, just click on reset and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.